A fresh angle has emerged in the investigation into the murder of Pune businessman Ketan Agarwal, with reports claiming that the accused had explored multiple ways to eliminate him before allegedly pushing him off Lohagarh Fort. According to reports, the prime accused Sia Goyal and her alleged accomplice Chetan had discussed hiring a third person to attack Ketan even before finally killing him. Investigations claim the duo considered several options, including getting Ketan assaulted, breaking his arms and legs, or even having him killed by someone else. Shweta, very disturbing details coming in, and so contrary to the videos that are circulating where Sia is seen expressing her love for Ketan, and on the height side she was planning all these terrible ways to kill him.
Absolutely right. In fact, this is disturbing as well as appalling at the same time. We see that now, as per the fresh development, as per the police, they are stating that before, in fact, pushing Ketan to death, Sia and Chetan, in fact, they both were in fact discussing that what are the other ways to eliminate Ketan. And here we also understand that now for eliminating Ketan, Chetan had already suggested ideas to Sia that they would be hiring the contract killers, and they would be also asking these hired killers to break limbs of Ketan Agarwal. Having said that, we have also seen during the police investigation, there were several other ways that the DO were actually mulling over that how are they going to eliminate Ketan Agarwal from their way has come to the fore. Exactly, you have correctly mentioned about how there are these wedding videos, the engagement videos rather, are surfaced online, and two contrary things are being seen. Sia is, as per the new video, in fact, she is seen praising Ketan Agarwal. She is saying that he's caring and he's very kind. But at the same time, on the other hand, the lady seems to be, she was plotting this cold-blooded murder with her alleged lover, Chetan Chaudhary. But clearly, as per the police investigation that is probing, police in fact stated that now they were also trying to understand few other ways that also included how to hire the contract killers so that they can break limbs of Ketan Agarwal.
Right.
That is indeed very disturbing.
Right, Shweta, absolutely. Thank you for joining us and giving those updates. And now viewers, moving ahead. Now, a case has